So I did order some food from We. This is a Asian supermarket, and they also have their website, which is saywe.com. And this one I ordered this from TikTok shop. So I spent like I spent like $84 plus tax, something like that, and I got some coupon. So this more on my snacks here, because I was so excited when I saw this on TikTok shop. I've been hearing this before because my brother-in-law, they ordering from We as well. So yeah, and I'm so excited they have it in TikTok shop. So more on snack here, guys, because I still have some stuff from last time that we went to Asian supermarket as well. So here we go. They gave me some flyers here and 20% off on my next purchase. So right here, and here we go. Ta-da! So I ordered some couple of Century Tuna hot and spicy here. My favorite one. Love this one, guys. I just, open it and then mix it with my hot rice. So yep. So you will hear my daughter because she's watching here. She's on her playpen. And then of course my favorite, sardines, Ligo. So this one is spicy one. Favorite. And then the other two, this one's not spicy. Love that. This one you can just, put some like, you can eat it like, you can just put like some lime or lemon. But for me, I like to, saute it with garlic and onion. This one. Okay, next. This one, guys, I ordered this one because I have this one from I ordered last time. I bought it last time from Asian supermarket. This one's really good, guys. Highly recommend this one. This is soy sauce, delicious still last drop. This is the brand, but this one is like plain, and this one has some garlic and chili. So I'm excited to try that one. I hope it tastes good, the same with the other one that I bought. And next we have the mango. We have the mango juice here. This is one of my favorite drinks from Philippines. And the other one is calamansi juice drinks. Love that. And then another juice, guys, mango fruit juice. I didn't know this one is small one. Like I thought it was like a big one, because it was like, I think this one's like $7, something like that. And then of course one of my favorite chocolate from Philippines. This is the peanut milk chocolate chocolate. Oh my gosh, when I was a kid, I was like obsessed on this one. They don't have the, what's that, milk, what's that, I forgot the purple one, milk, I forgot what it is. This is the Copico Blanca. I do have their brown one, the Copico brown. That one is good as well, but this one is more, I think now more tastier, better, the Copico Blanca. So I bought this one. This is 10 pieces sachet here. Love that if you never tried the Copico Blanca, guys. And then of course I cannot forget my pancit canton. I'm favorite my snacks here, the pancit canton noodles. This one you just boil it and then put the seasoning on it, and then when I do this one, I boiled some egg and partner with this one. So love this one. This is flavor, the flavor of this one is chili mansi, kind of like spice a little bit. And then of course another flavor, this one is the sweet chili. sweet and spicy. Love that one. Another 6. I bought 6 of this one. And then some like a cupcake here. This one is really good. This is ubi cake. A cupcake. Love that one. Amazing, amazing snack. And then we have the pandan cake as well. This is 10 pieces in a bag. Each bag comes with 10 pieces pack. And then, of course, the mocha. This is for my husband. 10 pieces. Love that one. And of course, some of my favorite, you know, chips in Philippines. This one is sweet corn. Oh, obsessed with. When I was young, again, one of my favorite chips, guys. And then this too. Oh, like I can sit and eat like I think 10 or 5 of this. Like that's how I eat chips, guys. I love chips. So this is cheese ring. Love that. It's really good, guys. And sweet corn. And then potato fries. This is like ketchup flavor. Oishi. They don't have my favorite one, the spicy one. And then Oishi brown crackers, the regular one. Okay, squeeze it well. And then we got some, this one, shrimp cracker. I'm not sure if this one is, oh yeah, this one is from, you know, Korea. Made in Korea. So this is shrimp cracker. And then next, shrimp chips bake. Sriracha mayo. So this one is made from, oh actually this is from Japan. Made from Japan. Yeah, that's all. Yep, that's all that I got from We. So excited. There you go. That's my first order, and I'm so excited. They're like everything is there, you know, on my bags. So my first time order, I will be ordering again. So if you're planning to order, check on their website. I think it was like, yeah, it's a saywe.com, and you can order from TikTok as well. TikTok shop, guys. This one I spent like $84, something like that, plus tax, and I have the coupon. I believe it's like 100 plus, and then I got coupon. So yeah, so that's all, guys. Bye. Hope you enjoy.